Hi, welcome back to a really quick video. Everything but the kitchen sink definitely doesn't apply here. So I've been recommending that if people want optimum levels of texture and optimum cooking of chickpeas, to shell them. And a lot of people are telling me that it's taking a long time. So even I've just made a mistake now, because the bowl I'm transferring the chickpeas in is so small. So I'll start off with a big bowl, run the tap, and I think we're going to see by the end of this quick video why even shell chickpeas. So these are some soaked chickpeas that haven't been shelled. All I do is this. It's simple. Really, really simple. And you're going to see why we shell them in a minute. Not only does shelling chickpeas uncover that layer around the chickpeas, it stops absorption of all the flavours, spices we're going to use, but in curry production. But so that's it. That's it. All we do now. So if you're making hummus, you definitely want to shell your chickpeas. That's all we do now. I know, a little bit of a waste of water. The shells float to the surface. Pour them out. I'm going to give it one more little go. Simple as that. It takes a very minimal time. That's it, that's done. So, just enough water to cover them. And then I have what I call a quality control inspection. There's a brown one there. Doesn't really make any difference, but so what we've got here, so I've got some shelled chickpeas there. Did you see how easy that was? Nice large vessel. Now this is the whole point here. When you see this cling filmy texture here, you're going to lose a little bit of mass on your chickpeas, so you're going to be able to get more of the quality into your curry or whatever. There's nothing wrong with not shelling your chickpeas, but I'm really into chickpeas, as you've noticed from the multiple chickpea recipes I have and my almost 10-minute, surprisingly, talk on chickpeas the other day. Now, can you see this? What's that going to do for your taste? Let's squeeze it. Alright, can you see that there's no flavour in here whatsoever? So there you go. 3 minutes, I talked a little bit. If I was doing that without making a video, that would have been over in about 50 seconds. So, do shell your chickpeas if you like. If you don't bother. But that is going into your curry. So, thanks for watching. Quick one this morning.